Welcome to another hip hop breakdown. This is the intermediate version. My name is Ceech, and today I got Reba with me here, and we're gonna do 2/8 counts. And this is more of a running man style, so let's check it out first, and we'll break it down. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okie dokie, that's it. Pretty simple. Well, not that simple. It's more of an intermediate routine, but we utilize a lot of running man. So if you don't know how to do the running man, I'm gonna put it in the description below, or actually click one of these buttons right here, and you can see a card, and you can check out the running man. So let's break this down. All right. First off, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hold on, let me tell you what we're looking at. We're looking at the legs only, okay? Just check out the legs. And we're starting with our right foot forward, okay? Here we go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So notice the 1 and 2, that's the running man, okay? And again, if you don't know running man, go study that real quick first. And then it's followed by like a jumping jacks. Basically, check this out. You have 1 and 2, and from here, instead of going to another running man, we're gonna go right into jumping jacks. This is 3 and 4. That's just the jumping jacks right there. Simple as that, right? Okay. So again, we're not gonna focus on the arm this time. We're just gonna focus on the legs. Running man into the jumping jacks. Now, moving on for the 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. And 5 and 6. That's another jumping jack, or that's another running man right there. Going back to the 5, so you check it out. So right after 4, we're gonna turn 90 degrees, okay? We're gonna turn to our left. And 5, right on the 5, again, this is just another running man. 5 and 6, and from here, we'll go directly into the jerk, okay? Again, I got another tutorial. Go ahead and check out the link right here. The tutorial is about how to do the jerk. The jerk is a little bit different. It kind of almost looks a little bit like the Roger Rabbit. All of these are fundamental hip hop moves, guys. So if you're thinking about learning, hip hop dance moves, fundamentals, you gotta know how to do the running man, the Roger Rabbit, the jerk, and all that stuff. Okay. So, anyways, go right into the jerk. This is the 7 and 8 and 1. So, going back, let's check it out. So 3 and 4, that's the jumping jacks. Going to the 5 and 6 and jerk right here. And now we're gonna go right into a swoop. We're gonna swoop on the 1, okay? This reminds me of, if you guys ever watch New Edition, If It Is in Love, check out that routine and you'll see them do something like this, where they swoop and then they hop. So going back to here, and 1 and 2 and, okay, so you're swooping, the knee comes down and swoop, and I kind of tap the floor right there. 1 and 2 and, go right into the 3 and 4. Go right into like a jumping jacks, okay? We're going out. We want that real quick. Right there, that's the 3, and almost like a start of a running man. 3, and then immediately we're gonna turn towards the camera. 3 and 4. That's my other jumping jacks. Basically, we're holding this 4 right here. All right, hold the 4. Look at each other. So if you have a partner right there, you look at each other. If you don't have a partner, it's all right. Just look to the side. Look to your imaginary friends or something like that. Okay, on the 6, one of you guys would, say, hey, give me 5, 7, and then 8. So if you don't have a partner, just hit poses. Point, give yourself 5 or something like that. All right. And guys, that is it. Simple as that. It's a quick running man routine incorporated with the jerk and a couple of jumping jack move. All right. Hope you guys have fun with this one. And I'll see you on the next one. All right. Peace. I'm out.